All right, this is the recommendation. We have Birds of a Feather. Who? Lazulitchi? Lazulitchi? I don't even know how the fuck to say that. What the fuck? This shit has 2.3 million views, bro. Okay, this shit must be fire. Am I spelling that? Yeah, I'm spelling that right. Lazulitchi, Birds of a Feather. Okay, let's see, bro.
I want you to stay.
My God, what the fuck? Yo, bro, if that's her voice, just like no auto tune, no nothing, that must be the best voice I've ever heard in my life. If that has no auto tune or nothing, that's crazy.
I want you to stay till I'm in the grave.
What the fuck?
Till I rot away, dead and buried. Till I'm in the casket.
Yo, hold up, bro. Also, at the same time, yo, shout out to old boy with the guitar, bro. Cause, hey, man, I know the voice is immaculate. But if the guitar was just ass, we would have all called it off. Like, oh, no, this shit is that. No, the guitar guy is also good too, though. But the voice is just way better, I'm gonna be honest.
Till I'm in the casket you carry. If you go, I'm going to.
God damn.
Cause it was always you. And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby.
Hey, I have nothing to lose without my baby. So if I'm turning blue, if I'm choking, if I'm losing my life, don't say. What the Yo, who is she, bro? Yo, why does she only have 89K subscribers, bro? She has a better voice than all of these bigger artists. Like, bro, she has a better voice. Billie Eilish? Nah, this right here is way better. And the Billie Eilish one has 187 million views. Yo, bro. Nah, she's different.
Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I'd never think I wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather, might not be forever, but if it's forever, it's even better. I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. It might not be long, but baby, I love you till the day that I die. Till the day that I die.
Oh my God, bro, what?
Till the day that I die.
Nah, bro. Nah, bro. She literally has a better voice than some of these, if not most of these, if not all of these mainstream artists, bro. What the She only has 89K subscribers, bro? Nah, this shit goes crazy, bro. Nah, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I don't even give a fuck, but we definitely reacting to her more. That voice is immaculate. What the fuck? Yo, I'm surprised she's not. Like, bro, this has 2.3 million views. So I'm surprised this, like, she did not, like, gain more subscribers. You feel me? Like, signed to a new label. Like, bro, maybe she has, like, dropped some new shit. But we're going to check her out on Spotify, bro. Because, yo, that voice is immaculate. What the fuck? That just sounds like a cheat code, bro.